Imagine standing in the heart of California's vast agricultural landscape, where rows upon rows of vibrant green broccoli stretch toward the horizon. The sun casts a golden glow over the fields, and the crisp morning air carries the scent of freshly tilled soil. Have you ever wondered what it takes to bring this nutritious vegetable from farm to table? Behind each head of broccoli lies an extraordinary story of dedication, advanced farming techniques, and the perfect balance between nature and human ingenuity. Broccoli is more than just a vegetable. It is a symbol of health, sustainability, and modern agriculture. Join us as we uncover the intricate process behind growing, harvesting, and processing this superfood, ensuring it reaches your plate in its freshest and most nutritious form. Broccoli has long been regarded as one of the healthiest vegetables, earning its place as a superfood due to its rich nutritional profile and numerous health benefits. According to the USDA, every 100 grams of broccoli provides 89% water content, keeping the body hydrated, 2.8 grams of protein, making it a great plant-based protein source, 6.6 grams of carbohydrates, providing essential energy, 2.6 grams of fiber, aiding digestion and gut health, vitamins C, K, A, and B6, supporting immune function, bone health, and metabolism, minerals such as potassium, iron, and magnesium, which contribute to muscle function, oxygen transport, and enzyme production. One of broccoli's most notable compounds is sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant that has been studied for its potential cancer-fighting properties. Research suggests that sulforaphane helps reduce inflammation, protect cells from damage, and support detoxification pathways in the body. With such an impressive nutritional profile, it's no wonder broccoli is a staple in health-conscious diets worldwide. But what does it take to cultivate this remarkable vegetable on a large scale? Let's dive into the fascinating world of broccoli farming. The success of broccoli farming starts with selecting the right seeds. Farmers in the U.S. carefully choose high-yield, disease-resistant varieties that can thrive in different climates. Broccoli is a cool season crop that flourishes in temperatures between 55 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 to 24 degrees Celsius. It requires well-drained, fertile soil with a pH level of 6.0 to 7.5 to ensure optimal growth. Certain regions, such as California, Arizona, and Texas, have become prime locations for broccoli farming due to their favorable climate conditions. In these areas, farmers can grow multiple crops per year, ensuring a steady supply of fresh broccoli to meet consumer demand. There are two main methods of planting broccoli: direct seeding. Seeds are sown directly into the soil at a depth of 0.5 inches, with 12 to 18 inches of spacing between plants to allow for proper growth. Transplanting seedlings. In this method, seeds are first germinated in greenhouses or nurseries. Once seedlings reach 4 to 6 inches, 10 to 15 centimeters in height, they are carefully transplanted into fields. This method shortens the growth cycle and provides greater control over initial growing conditions. Farmers meticulously prepare the soil by plowing and enriching it with organic matter and balanced fertilizers containing nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to support healthy plant development. Broccoli requires consistent moisture but is highly sensitive to overwatering. To maintain proper hydration levels, farmers use advanced irrigation systems such as drip irrigation or overhead sprinklers, which help distribute water efficiently without causing waterlogging or soil erosion. Fertilization plays a crucial role in ensuring healthy growth. Organic compost or slow-release fertilizers are commonly used to supply essential nutrients over time, promoting lush, green broccoli heads and robust root systems. Broccoli farming is not without challenges, as pests and diseases can threaten crop yields. Some of the most common threats include aphids and caterpillars, which feed on leaves and damage plant tissues; clubroot disease, caused by soil-borne pathogens, which affect root development; powdery mildew and bacterial rot, which thrive in humid conditions and can reduce broccoli quality. To combat these issues, farmers implement integrated pest management (IPM) strategies, which combine natural predators, like ladybugs, with minimal pesticide use to maintain a healthy balance in the ecosystem. Additionally, crop rotation and proper field sanitation help prevent the buildup of soil-borne diseases. Broccoli is ready for harvest when its head reaches 4 to 6 inches, 10 to 15 centimeters in diameter, has a deep green color, and tightly closed buds. If harvesting is delayed, the buds will begin to flower, reducing the quality, texture, and market value. Most broccoli is still harvested by hand to ensure precision. Skilled workers use sharp knives to cut each head cleanly at the base, minimizing plant damage. The harvested broccoli is then carefully placed on conveyor belts or in transport crates to prevent bruising. Once harvested, broccoli undergoes rapid post-harvest cooling to 32 to 36 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 to 2 degrees Celsius, within hours. This step is crucial in maintaining freshness and preventing wilting. For frozen broccoli, processors use IQF, individual quick freezing technology, which flash freezes each floret separately at -40 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 degrees Celsius. This process locks in flavor, texture, and nutrients, allowing consumers to enjoy high-quality broccoli year-round. Fresh broccoli is sorted based on size, color, and bud firmness. Only premium-grade broccoli with uniform characteristics is selected for high-end supermarkets and export markets. Lesser grades are directed toward processing facilities or local distribution channels. To preserve freshness, broccoli is packaged in moisture-controlled bags or crates before being transported in refrigerated trucks. This ensures that the vegetables maintain their crispness during transit and arrive at grocery stores in peak condition. From a humble seed to a nutrient-packed superfood on your plate, broccoli's journey is a remarkable blend of tradition and innovation. As technology advances, we may see more automation in harvesting, improved disease-resistant varieties, and sustainable farming practices that further enhance production efficiency. With rising consumer awareness of health and sustainability, broccoli remains a staple in global agriculture. Whether fresh, frozen, or incorporated into delicious meals, its impact on nutrition and wellness is undeniable. What are your thoughts on the broccoli farming process? Have you ever considered growing your own? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of agriculture and food production.